So welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are installing USB ports for the VFR. So let's do this. So these are USB ports. There's 3, and you will say that these are old school. They're still BlackBerry. So this is by GIVI, and they are meant to be inside the pannier. So they provided it with this. So it's like a junction that you will drill your pannier and put it somewhere. And I've decided where to put it, and I'll show you why I decided it there. This is very easy to install. So they provided cable that is fused, so we are going to tap it with the battery directly. Hopefully we will not drain the battery. Well, we're just gonna plug in power banks or mics, anything low ampere. This will be situated here, something like this, under the seat, and we are going to zip tie this so we can still cover this when we're not using it. And then this will be the plug extension. We can plug it here and then plug it to where you're gonna mount it. And we are going to make this work again. So this is a USB for here, which was removed when I painted the tank. So I'm gonna put it back. So this will be a charger for the Insta360, which is always mounted here. Again, it's just going to be fused, but we are going to cut all the wires short so we don't have to tie them down. I'll show you where I'm gonna mount the port, and I'll give you the reason why I chose that location. So we are going to drill this amount, this size, which I really don't know yet. And technically you want this hidden. I cannot mount it at the back because that's where the exhaust is going. I know that my exhaust is here, but we are going to put it back, you know, where it should be. For now, we're gonna keep it like this, but we are, of course, we have to forecast. So I don't want it to be out here because it's just, I don't know, it will be too exposed to the wind. So I'm thinking, and I don't want it to be at the rear, at the back. I think the back is a good idea, but your wire is going to be long. We can mount it underneath. I think that's a good idea. If I plan the port to be here, then it won't be enough. So the ideal, I think, is here. Well, it will be this side, but I just want to see how it looks. So it will be away from the exhaust, which is here, and it won't be that exposed. Can I still remove the pannier? Yes, you can still remove it. So I think this is our location. Let me get the pen or a pencil, scribble it, and then we'll drill a hole. So we are going to use a step bit, and by the way, I also choose the right side because of two reasons. This side is messed up. I got it like this when I bought it, and if you are going to check roads on the road side, which I know it's not ideal, but just in case, it will be away from the vehicles. So it comes with this, so this works as a seal at the same time, and it holds the plug. That makes it watertight. Let's mount it here, and then tighten the other side. So enough that it will squeeze the rubber and make it a seal. Not enough, not too much. And then let's knock this up. And let's cut the wire so it will be not very long. Let's see if we can put the seats. I think that's fine. So we have wired this, then under the tank, and then here, and then to the battery. So let's see if it works. Oh, there's light. So you can definitely see if it's working. Yeah, charging. And let's see the USB port by the steering. Well, it's not working. Let's see. Let's check for the positive Positive is good. Check for the negative. Negative is good. So I guess this is broken, which I should have checked first before I install it. Well, what do you expect from AliExpress products? Let's check for polarity. Maybe I messed that up. Yep, this is positive and this is negative, so this is not working. At least we have wiring here, so all I have to do now is to buy a new USB port for the steering side, I mean handlebar side, and we are done. I'll just remove the negative. So there you go, we are done. What's left to do now is to just zip tie this. I've got one and it's white. I need to buy a couple of this. So we're done. Hope you like this. Peace. Bad.